Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your basic presentation slide into stunning designs just like this. So before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and do subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. First, insert an image and stretch it to cover the entire slide. Next, go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle and cover half of the slide with it. Now add a text box and type your text. And then adjust the alignment, font type and size. Also align the text box to the center of this rectangle. After all this, select the rectangle first, then the text box, and then navigate to Shape Format, Merge Shape and choose Subtract to cut the text out of this rectangle. Next, go back to Shape Format and change the rectangle's color. Here I will choose white and also make it slightly transparent for a sleek look. Now duplicate the slide. On the first slide, adjust the rectangle's position and increase the size of the image. Then go to the second slide and apply morph transition and set the duration to 0.75 seconds. And that's it. We have created a stunning animated slide in just a few steps. So if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.